Yo, what's up, guys, and welcome to another trade recap. Damn, we took a trade, and it is a banger trade, like always. So, without further ado, don't forget to smash out that like button and to hit that subscribe button to help me reach 190 fucking legends in this fucking channel, bro. Let's do it before the end of fucking May. So, with that, let's get started into today's video. So as I told you in the video before this one, I told you I ideally don't want to take a trade, but if there's any setup or my model has appeared or the price do whatever I wanted him to do, I will anticipate off of that. And if you don't believe me, go watch the video before this one. It is the it is the thought process on the trade, and now I'm going to head on and show you the screenshots before the trade has been taken. All right, hold on, and this is the screenshots. Hold on. So this is on GBP GPY. All right, I wanted the price to do a market structure shift, retracement back into this order block, inverse this 15-minute gap, and then broke structure right here, retrace back into this 5-minute continuation confluences. Let me show you this fair value gap order block. I wanted to see a 1-minute break of structure off of that, and hold on, bang, just like that. Bang. Damn. And I'm going to show you now exactly where I did execute and where did I close this trade. So let's start with the daily time frame. I ideally had a bullish bias, but kind of not sure of taking any trades. Why? Because we already invalidated this daily fair value gap. This bearish daily fair value gap we just invalidated, and then on the daily, price is very normal to retrace back into these lows and continue its move to the upside. So I scaled down to the 4-hour. Asian session was ugly, London session was ugly, but New York session has given me the opportunity. And as you can see on the 4-hour, we have this 4-hour bullish fair value gap that is that has got filled, and price should reverse from it. So on the let's go to the 1-hour. We also have a 1-hour bullish fair value gap. Price did retrace into it, close above it, not below it, and we took out the London session lows. Those are the London session lows. On New York session, we came down due to the NFP, because today we have non-farm payroll, and it came out bearish. We come up very quickly. We took out the London session lows, the 4-hour lows. We filled in the 4-hour fair value gap, the 1-hour fair value gap. Then what I wanted to see is actually, like I drew it to you, market structure shift, retracement back into some continuation confluences, then a lower time frame break of structure, and then target these London session highs. All right. After that, what we had in this trade. So you see this 15-minute bearish fair value gap that has been got invalidated. So the 15-minute bearish order flow got invalidated. What I wanted to see next is a 5-minute retracement. We got that with this candle. As you can see, we got the 5-minute retracement back into this tiny fair value gap, and we did a market structure shift right here. After that, what did we see? We see price come up, we retraced back into this order block on the 5-minute, and not only that, but also equilibrium. Hold on. Equilibrium, boom, got filled. We have a 1-minute. We have a 1-minute fair value gap right here, We have this 1 minute also bearish fair value gap. What I want to see is price come up and close above this zone that I've drew to you. So you have this zone, boom, break of structure and validation of this bearish fair value gap, just entered off of that. Very basic trade, very classic trade. It is followed to my model. The only thing is not followed to my model is that the trend is bearish on the hourly and on the 4 hour, but it is a reversal trade, and that is the only thing that I'm not very fan of, because usually the trades who are taken based on a reversal gets stopped out very quickly. And the reason behind that, I was very confident about this trade. Not very confident, but I just followed my trading plan, my risk management plan, every single thing about this trade. Alright, it's because we filled up the 4 hour and the both on the 4 hour and the 1 hour fair value gaps, and price did invalidate the 15-minute, the lower time frame bearish order flow. So why wouldn't price come up and took out these London Stress highs and even fill up this 1 hour fair value gaps and all of these buy side liquidities? Why? It is very obvious that price should go higher. And as I told you in the last video, will I be able to take a trade if my setup appears? Yes. Will I be able to take a trade if my setup does not appear? No. That is literally what happened. I waited, all of my confirmation got hit, and I said, hold on, let's zoom out and let's zoom in, see the points precisely, and then entered based on something. I did not enter like that, like a fucking dumbass. I get on the trade, set my TP, my stop loss, and with that, just fucking set and forget. I closed the trade, closed trading view, closed MetaTrader, and head on to do something else, because I'm not going to fucking waste my time looking at the chart without doing anything. I closed on, I did a bunch of work, I filmed the video, I had a side hustle I'm doing on WAP. I'm going to explain it to you when I see some big results on it. And with that, my main target is these London session highs, but I did not put my TP right here due to some fucking previous mistakes that I did, and price did me dirty on that. So I just went to do a little bit risk off to set my TP at these highs instead of these highs, just because price in some point of time has reversed one pip away from my take profit. So I didn't want to take that big risk, especially with the higher time frame is being bearish. So I didn't want to take any risk. And yeah, that's it for today. I'm going to show you now USD GPY, which actually did not give me anything. It only has been going up without any single fucking confirmation. Yeah, we did took out these 4 hour lows, and I think we reversed off of the 4 hour imbalances. But I'm telling you about the lower time frames, which has not given me any single thing, and I was okay with taking the GJ trade over that trade. So this is the trade recap for today. I hope you guys benefit from this video. Make sure you guys like the video and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video tomorrow. I'll be talking about the crypto news that are happening this week. I'll cover up every single thing about that, and on Sunday, like always, I'll do a motivational video for you. So with that being said, thank you guys a lot for watching this video. I appreciate you guys. I hope you guys good week, good weekend, enjoy yourself, work more, be smart, and definitely log in and go on monk mode. And don't forget to subscribe to me, please, if you want to join this community and help me go and share my journey in trading. So thank you guys. Let's be 1% better. See you next time. Peace out.